All hands on deck. Lego City. By Marilyn Easton. Illustrated by Kenny Kiernan. The harbor is filled with ships. This ship is busy. The sailors have to unload the ship before it departs. A sailor is mopping the deck. Watch out, the deck is wet. The captain steers the ship. He needs to make sure it goes where it needs to. A sailor looks out at the water. He sees a scuba diver. He also sees a windsurfer. The windsurfer does a cool trick. Oh no, the windsurfer is heading towards some rocks. He runs to tell the captain a windsurfer is in danger. We need to save him, he says. All hands on deck, the captain yells. The windsurfer is getting closer to the rocks. The captain gives the sailors their orders. They will go help the windsurfer. The sailors find the windsurfer. They throw him a lifesaver. Dude, that was close, says the windsurfer. Next time, I'll be sure to stay clear of those rocks, says the windsurfer. Thanks for the hand. The end.